Hey foodies, let's make plantain chips. But first, I need to know what team you're on. Team savory or team sweet? For my sweet plantain chips, I like to use semi-ripe plantains. So go for the pale yellow ones that are still firm when you press them, so not too ripe. Peel the plantains, then get your oil nice and hot. Using a mandolin slicer, carefully slice the plantains directly into the oil. While I'm slicing, I like to move the mandolin around the pan so the slices fall into different spots instead of piling up on top of each other. As soon as I'm done slicing, I'll give everything a quick stir and move the chips around to separate any pieces that are sticking together. While they're frying, I like to stir and turn them every 2 minutes so they cook and brown evenly. I usually fry around 1.5 plantains at a time, and it takes about 12 to 15 minutes to become crisp. Once they're a bit lighter than your preferred color, take them out of the oil because they will continue to brown slightly from the residual heat as they cool. When you're done frying, transfer to a strainer lined with paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. I don't always salt my plantain chips, especially the sweeter ones, but if you're adding salt, sprinkle a pinch of salt as soon as they come out of the oil so it sticks better. The plantain chips may not be very crispy at first, but they'll crisp up as they cool. Transfer to a wide tray, then let the plantain chips cool down completely before storing. For unripe plantain chips, the green plantains can be a bit harder to peel. Just make a slit across, use a knife to open it as much as you can, then use your hands to take off the peel. If there's any stubborn peel still stuck on, you can use a knife to scrape it off. Carefully slice the plantain into the oil. After each batch, give the oil a couple of minutes to come back up to temperature before frying the next one. Please be careful with your fingers as you slice, especially when you're getting close to the end. It's advisable to use the mandolin guard towards the end if yours comes with one. Unlike semi-ripe plantains or ripe plantains, the green ones won't turn brown because they contain very little sugar. You know they're ready to take out when the chips feel a bit crispy and the sizzling in the oil starts to quiet down. Transfer the chips to a strainer and season immediately with salt while they're still hot. Since unripe plantains aren't sugar sweet, they will need a bit more salt than the ripe plantain chips. Transfer to a wide tray to cool down completely before storing. Once completely cool, store in an airtight container for a couple of weeks. They should stay nice and crispy. You can also pack them individually like this for snacks or party packs. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. And like I asked at the beginning, which team are you on? Team sweet or team savory? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already.